Alright, this is the equipment for our converging lens lab. I'm not going to do a thorough explanation, but you'll get the idea with this. For part 1 and part 3, you need the magnifying glass. You don't need it to be taped to this wooden block. This is for part 2. So when you do get to part 2, tape it to this wooden block. I've got 2 pieces of Scotch tape going over the handle. And it's going to be really nice. Then you'll be able to prop it up and it'll be able to stand on its own. Alright. The light bulb over here is actually going to represent the object. Of course, when it lights up, it's going to give off light rays, which will then pass through the magnifying glass. I do have it in a series circuit with 2 batteries, so make sure you do connect that correctly. Excuse me. I'm going to actually look for that in your picture to make sure you did a series circuit with 2 batteries correctly. It does have on the terminals of the battery, it does have aluminum foil tape, just because that makes it a lot easier to then connect the wires and light the bulb up. You'll notice the bulb is in this little kind of paper container. I'll show you how to make that at the beginning of class. But anyway, with another piece of paper, what you'll be able to do is when you get to part 2, you'll be able to turn this on. This represents your object, so you put this at the appropriate distance from the magnifying glass, whatever that may be, of course. And then what should happen is, if you think about it, light rays go through a magnifying glass because it's transparent, so the light rays will pass through and refract. And then I should, with another piece of paper, I should be able to place it on the back side somewhere over here, some distance, where then the image will be focused on this piece of paper. When you find it focused, then you can take your ruler again, of course, and measure the distance that the image is being formed on the piece of paper behind the lens. Okay? Hope that helped, guys.